chicas. Sorry. And it's water testing day. Oh, it's bright. Okay, sorry. That was a big glare. So I turned the light off. So I will be showing you how to use the Appy, I don't know how to say it, but like, I say Appy, Freshwater Master Test Kit, and testing my fish tank water today. So, first thing, you're going to want to tear off the tab, which I already did for the video, and then you're going to put the lid to the side. You're going to get a caution thing, that's fine, and then on the side, you'll have all the pH levels. And what I did, or like all the levels of all the things, what I did is I looked up my type of fish and what levels they needed for each thing. And there's going to be, and then made sure it was the correct one. So there's also this thing on top of all of them, each. And then this is what you're going to see. Test tubes, the drippities. I call them drippities, I don't know why. So you're going to take your first test tube. I'm going to do the pH solution first. Depending on what pH your fish needs, you're going to have to look at the thing. So first one's pH, the second one's high pH. So if your fish lands in the high pH, which is orange to dark purple, you're going to want to use the high range pH drippity thing. I'm sorry, I don't know what to call it. Test solution. There. But for mine's in the low pH. To be specific, mine's like 6. Mine can be from like 6.5 to like 8. Sorry, my tablet was slipping. For pH, because I have a beta fish. So, yeah. So, of course, there's a little fill line. It says 5 milliliters. You're going to take exactly 5 milliliters from your tank. It's going to be kind of hard to get the right amount. Okay, I got pretty much the perfect amount. Not the exact perfect amount, but it's perfect enough. Then, however many drops it says, it'll do a drop and then say whatever number. This one says 3. So you're not going to squeeze it. So you got to push down and twist because it's a child-safe lock, but I'm a child. I know how to do it. So you're just going to tip it over. Don't squeeze it because you could put too much. 1. Oh, frick. That was too much. Okay. So you can see mine's like a light blue. Bluish light blue. And then we're going to take the chart. And it's the very last one, which is actually fine for a beta fish. Completely fine. It can be like from like 7.5 to whatever. Okay, the next one we're going to do, I think next we're going to do ammonia, bottle 1. So you got to put 8 drops of the ammonia bottle 1 and 8 drops of the ammonia bottle 2. There's 2 bottles for ammonia, which is pretty much the oxygen level in the tank. I have a bubbler, so hopefully I should have the right oxygen level. So take a different test tube, not the one you just used, of course, and then do the same thing. I'm going to pause it real quick and get water. Okay, I got the water. So exactly 5 milliliters. And we're going to start with the ammonia bottle 1. Don't squeeze it or you're going to accidentally put too much in like I did with the pH. These ones come out a bit faster, so you got to be careful. These ones need 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's fine if you put like 1 or 2 extra drops in there because it worked out fine with the pH. And then the same thing with the bottle too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then the heck did that lid go? Okay. I'm gonna put the lid back on, of course, and then shake it up. Wait just a second. And it should be like whatever color it is. You gotta obviously. Oh, where'd the chart go? Where'd the chart? One moment, I am having. Oh, put the chart right here. Okay, now we're testing the ammonia, and then anything below 25 ppm for a betta fish is fine, and this is like in between 25 and 0. So it's like more yellowish, I would say, which is good because the ammonia is supposed to be like as close to 0 as you can get it for the ammonia. So I'm gonna do the next one. This is gonna be the nitrate. Okay, we're gonna be doing the nitrate, so I actually have to look that up real quick, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna read exactly what it said. So it says, ammonia nitrite should always be kept under 0.5 ppm, but preferably registering as close to 0 as possible. And nitrate should be under 20 ppm. So, we're going to be testing nitrate real quick. So, of course, it's got to do the same thing. Okay, we got our water. Now let's test for nitrite. It looks like for the nitrite, we should be, ooh, it's like greenish. Like 5 drops. I'm just telling you so it's easier for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we gotta put the cap on and mixaroo and blue. So let's test the same with rock. Like cute. Okay. So nitrite, perfect, 0. Now let's test for nitrate. Gotta go get water again. This is a very short process, but it also took a little bit longer because I had to go get my phone and stuff. Oh, I almost forgot to put the nitrite away. Nitrite droplets. Okay, I'll put that right there. Okay, now we gotta go get water. Oh, and also my fish tank's like 1 foot away, but it just takes a little bit to get the exact amount. So, yeah. Again, we got the water. You know how the process goes. This is bottle number 1. Nitrate, bottle number 1, add 10 drops. So that's 20 drops in total because there's 2 bottles of nitrate, or nitrate tester, sorry. This one's like yellowish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if you have any suggestions, I will be reading the comments. So yeah. I gotta use the other one. Bottle number 2. That clicking sound is me just pushing on it and twisting it because it's a child's Ziploc. But I know how to do this, and I'm a child, so it's perfectly fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. and I keep it clean. I keep it pretty clean. Oh, and if you're wondering what nitrate is, it's pretty much just like the dirt and cleanliness of the tank. So let's check. Okay. So of course I keep my tank clean, so it's 0, which is actually good. And then once you're done with all that, of course you gotta put it all back. Don't forget to clean up after yourself. It's very important. You just put the nitrate away and the nitrite and everything. Oh my gosh, just dropped it. I like to put it back in order. Oh, my tablet keeps falling. But yeah, and then what I do is I pretty much just put everything back like how it was. Put that back, and then put this thing back, and this thing. Gosh, it keeps scaring the Jesus out of me. And then of course you gotta empty out the test tubes, and then rinse them out with like tap water, because you don't want the old stuff still in there. Oh, frick, I forgot. Don't mind the background noise, it's just my brother being annoying again. And then we're done. So, yeah.